Hi guys, it is Freebie Friday again. Gosh, they come around quickly. In this Freebie Friday, I'm going to give you a free blood pressure monitor book. Not a free blood pressure monitor machine, a free blood pressure monitor logbook. This is it here. I'll show you the proper book in a second. It's got everything you need. It's even got a lovely little pattern around the outside. Now, I was doing some research on this, keyword research, and it's a surprisingly low competitor rate. Weird. I'll show you the book first, then we'll go to Amazon. So this is your book. Again, it's just a repeating logbook, as they all are. You get a plain title page there, and then this page is repeated throughout. Space for the date and the time. Slots for your blood pressure results and your pulse, and a section for notes. Now, when I've got to take my blood pressure, I'm always told to take it twice a day and take it twice. You know, so if I do it at 7 o'clock in the morning, do it twice at 7 o'clock in the morning and record both scores. I need notes there. And that's it, just repeating, repeaty, as logbooks generally do. What surprised me, though, is when I went into Amazon to see if I could niche this down to get you a good few keywords, blood pressure logbook is relatively low. It gets a niche score of 65, which is pretty good from Titan's Quick View. There are only 1,100 total results, which is really odd. And all this data relates to the first page. So there are books ranking on the first page that have 0 reviews. Again, apparently that's a good sign. And the lowest BSR is 3,600. The average is 347. So that's all good. The price is pretty low, but that doesn't matter. You're getting this for free. Sell it for $6.99, and you're making money for nothing, really. The only thing you need to do is add a cover. So we'll have a quick stroll through the page and see what these covers are looking like. By the way, the book is 6x9 with bleed. So just be aware of that. 6x9 with bleed. That's not bad, is it? 3,000. Is that the low one, is it? Yeah, I think this is the lowest ranked book. So the estimated monthly income is $5,899. And it's very simple. It was published 4 years it was published 3.5 years ago. And this is it. Very similar to what we've got made. Nice simple cover. Looks clean and very, very professional. You could even add pages to the front of this book if you've got a PDF editor. If you use Affinity Publisher, you could open the file in. You could open the PDF in Affinity Publisher and add more pages to it. And there we go, just a simple repeating journal. So I'm really surprised at how low this niche score is, because everyone is... That's where everyone starts, isn't it? Making logbooks, and blood pressure is the most... It's one of the big 3 books when you first start KDP. Line journal, mileage logbook, blood pressure tracker. They're the 3 everyone makes. So I'm surprised that's so low. Maybe people are thinking it's too obvious. But you can try and niche this down a bit more if you want to. Blood pressure log. And again, we'll just type in 4. For the chambermaid. No. 4 women. We'll just see if this does anything. It certainly gives you less competition. and the niche score is just as good. If you look through, you'll see a lot of the same designs, like this one, but more floral ones. There's the bestseller, of course. Do women want a nice flowery book to write in? Perhaps. But it's a way to reuse that interior. Get yourself in front of another audience. So there you go. I was going to try and niche down for you, but there's no point. Blood pressure log. And again, another variation on the keyword phrase, blood pressure logbook. Again, only 608. So it's worth adding that into your keywords. So now you might be asking, how do I get this book? And the answer is very simple. First of all, for watching this video, you get the password, which is going to be CLOT, C-O-L-T, CLOT. Down below there is a link to the Gumroad shop. Click on that, and when you go to checkout, there'll be an option to apply a code. Apply the code that I've just mentioned, just in case anyone skipped to the end. Apply that code I've just mentioned, and you'll get this for absolutely nothing. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my vids. It really does help. If you've used the book, or if you've used any of the books, drop a comment and just tell us how it's going for you. There's also a playlist where I've linked to all of the videos for these Freebie Fridays, and there's quite a few things piled up there now. So you can get yourself a nice library of assets to sell on KDP, or wherever you want, Etsy, wherever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.